Today, I'm going to show you how I made this easy and delicious seasoned brown rice with grated carrots. If you're interested, keep watching. So we're going to start off with 4½ cups of water. You can add less for firmer rice or add more for softer rice. Then we're going to add 1½ cups of grated carrots. Add 3 cups of whole grain brown rice. I'm using the Uncle Ben whole grain brown rice and it's parboiled, but you can use any whole grain brown rice that you have at your home. Follow the water to rice ratio depending on which type of brown rice you are using. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, or you can use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil as a substitute. This is where I've added all of my season into one container. I added 3/4 of a tablespoon of garlic powder, 3/4 of a tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1½ teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning or Badia tropical seasoning. Add 2 teaspoons of Better Than Bouillon vegetable base. When everything starts to boil, give it one good stir one last time. Turn the stove down to low. Cover the pot and cook on low heat for 45 minutes. A trick that my mom taught me is if you hear water still boiling at the bottom of your pot, then you know that your rice is still cooking. So continue to let it cook until you don't hear any water boiling. So there you have it, an easy and delicious plant-based recipe. For more recipes and plant-based dishes, please visit our website at www.theelatedelephant.com. Please subscribe and share. Thanks. Bye.